Hemp is known as one of the best plants for pulling up both minerals and toxins from deep down in the soil. These minerals and toxins are then concentrated in the CBD oil in the plant. That is why it's so incredibly important to know your farmer when using CBD products. Hello, I'm Benjamin with Azure, and I'm here in one of Azure's own fields where your farmer Zephaniah has been growing a beautiful crop of CBD hemp. Zephaniah is a fourth generation farmer on this exact field, so it's kind of in his DNA to know what the plants need.
Organic farming has definitely been a passion of our family for a long time. My grandfather started farming nearly 50 years ago organically.
Oh wow.
In the early 70s, out of conviction that it was better for his family's health. And after a few years of organic farming, health issues started clearing up. This really began our multi-generational passion for healthy living. Now, raising my own family, I'm so grateful for healthy, living soil that they can play in, free from chemicals or harsh fertilizers. Someplace that's building their immune system. And farming this way has been a family project. There's often 20 or more family members, aunts, uncles, cousins, and their children all out in the field planting and making big projects happen.
Hemp is known as one of the best plants for pulling up both minerals and toxins from deep down in the soil. These minerals and toxins are then concentrated in the CBD oil in the plant. That is why it's so incredibly important to know your farmer when using CBD products.
Being certified organic is an absolute, but even that doesn't keep the plant from pulling up heavy metals and other toxins that are deep in the soil from years of chemical use. This is what makes your hemp crop so special for CBD hemp. It is probably the oldest organic, chemical-free hemp farm in the country. Grown in a volcanic rich soil and fed all year with fresh spring water from Mount Hood. So instead of pulling up garbage from deep in the soil, these plants are pulling up more minerals and nutrients, which are converted into a deeper and wider spectrum of healthy oils. The farm is also processing a portion of the crop into salves and tinctures right on site. First, the plants are hang-dried and cured at low temperatures for a couple weeks in order to preserve as much of the goodness of the plant as possible. This is far superior to sending the crop through mechanical heated dryers for an hour. 99% of the CBD products are extracted in sophisticated labs using harsh chemical solvents, extreme pressures, temperatures, multiple fractionation steps designed to pull certain components out and putting others back in. Then what is left they dilute back in a carrier oil, like coconut oil. But there's a simpler method, one that you can easily do at home. By just gently soaking the flowers in organic coconut oil until all the natural oils and goodness is pulled out of the plant. This easy, tried and true extraction method has been used for thousands of years to pull all the goodness out of the plant in one simple step. So whether you choose to buy the whole plant and make your own CBD product, or buy Azure's pre-made, you can feel good knowing the farmer that grew it and how it was made using the purest, wholesome, certified organic product available anywhere. Be sure and check out the links below for details on how to make your own CBD oil right in your kitchen.